Today I'll be teaching you all how to make a simple piano app or an emulator on Scratch. So the piano app that we're gonna make today works like this. These are the black keys. So these two green blocks aren't available in a normal Scratch project. So I'll be teaching you all how to get these blocks later in this video. And then the change size by -5. This three blocks are responsible for the animation. And the change size by -5 reduces the size of the sprite, and then waiting for 0.1 seconds helps to see the animation, which is so that it is visible for our eyes, because our eyes can't when we remove this wait 0.1 seconds and we do this, we can so I just click on this sprite, so it actually increases and decreases, but we cannot see it directly in our eyes. So when I add this 0.1, we can see the animation. So when I increase it to 0.5, the animation becomes much slower. So the right speed is 0.1 or 0.2. So in these two blocks, I'll be teaching you now how to get these two blocks. So this is I'll just open a new Scratch project. So this is gonna be the general Scratch screen. So you won't be having the music, these two music blocks. So this is how you get. So this area is the extension area. So we go here and click on music, and then over here you can just go click select the play set instrument to piano, and then this block sets the instrument. For example, if we then we have to take the play note 60. So I'll just be showing the example after I take this block. Yes, I took this block, and now when you click on this, it plays the note 60, and when I take a different instrument, it sounds different. Now I'll be taking a guitar. So it sounds different. So for here if we increase the noise, then the note, then the sound also increases its pitch. When we decrease its pitch, the sound also decreases. So the right tempo is 60 over here. So I'll be just putting this, and then this is how we get these two blocks over here. We can also call it the music extension, and I will also be posting another video on extensions, so you can refer to that. And then we can also change the tempo for each of the blocks over here. The sprites are here according to its note. So I'll now be teaching you all how to change the notes according to the sprite. So it's C. So when I click on this, the F gets displayed over here, and then it's 65. So 65 goes here. So for this it's C, so I'll be putting it as 60 for C. Then for D it'll be 62. You can just click on these to find it out, but I'll just be showing you all the code for each of these sprites. So D is 62. Then for E it's 64. Then for F it's 65. Then for G is 67. For A it's 69, and for B it's 71. For C it's 72. For C sharp it's 61. For D sharp it's 63, and then for F sharp it's 66, and for G sharp it's 68, and then for A sharp it's 70. So this is the note for each of the keys. And then the only difference between this each and every sprite is the tempo. So you just have to go and copy and paste this code onto to the other sprites, and we just have to change the tempo. and I'll be showing you all how to change the sprite. I'll just copy and paste the code. So I'll just get a random sprite over here. So it's monkey and a cat. So I'll just be copying and dragging and dropping it over here, so the code gets pasted here. So that's how we do it. So now we have made a piano emulator. So you can also try my other emulators too, like uh, bass drum, then guitar, which is over here. Wait. Also piano and then some guitar, and we can also try it on electric guitar, flute. Yeah, you can do it on 21 such instruments, and then you just have to change the put the correct note, and then we can make the emulator work properly. And then I have also given the starter project for this app or an emulator. So it's in the description, so you can just remake this project if you want. And then I'll be also making an YouTube video about extensions, so you can also refer to that video to get more information about extensions. Thank you.